Punky, you want to go out? You do? Okay, come on. Yeah. Here you go. You wait a minute. Dad, hook you up. Hold still. That's a good boy. Okay. Come on. Come on, let's go over by the motorcycle. Come on. I'll give you a bunch of lead here, okay? There you go. You happy now? To eat some grass, go inside and throw up? Huh? Hey, Punka Man. Punka Man. Hey, look. Gonna be on YouTube, kid. And that's my crazy cat.